Morning, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Jomelyn Fernandez Geronimo. I'm 26 years old. My height is 153 centimeter. I'm 60 kilogram. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I'm the number 1 in the family. I have 2 years experience in my country. My job is all doing the housework, cleaning, cooking, ironing, taking care of two children, ages 3 and 6, prepare the all meals and bring them to the school. I'm good in cooking, cleaning, taking care of baby, taking care of children, taking care of elderly, taking care of bedridden. I accept any kind of job. I agreed 1 month day off in a month. I promise to work hard, loyalty, honesty, and follow instructions. I'm looking forward to work with your family. I need to support my family. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir.